What is that noise? As I'm trying to get the stuff out of here. What is the noise? It was the fan. Why didn't you just move it? She's just sitting there pointing on some. Move it. Like nobody wants to hear that noise. Like, really? Why ain't you just move it? Why ain't you just move it? Why you always pointing? Like, why you just move the fan? Like, what's your purpose if you're not gonna help? Grab that. Get around the stuff. Don't step in the mud. Why she gotta be so extra? Really? Just step over it. All that extraness. All you gonna grab is the trash can. It is not, y'all. All you gotta do is walk over and step. Come back in here and grab some. Why is you grabbing the little? Oh my gosh. Huh? Hand you something. Just walk over. It's not that serious. What's the face for? It's not like it's difficult. Just walk over. It's not just walk over. The green thing. The hand pan. It's stuff to grab. Just walk. Oh. Let's see how this goes. Okay. But you walked over mad simple with something big in your hand. I don't understand why with little stuff is taking. Oh my gosh. You could grab the hand pan or whatever. Yeah, those. What? Why are you jumping? Like you don't need to jump. Oh my gosh. Did y'all see how she just walked in there? That's all she had to do every time she go back. Why is she doing all this extra? Why? Just why? Somebody, anybody please? Why? Now you lost your shoe over there. Now go get it. What is the jump? You don't need to jump. You just walk past it like.
You see me jump. I just jump when I walk past the road.
Okay. All right. Let's get the rest of this stuff. Oh my God. If you. What? What? Why is she taking big stuff? Just going with little stuff. Why is it taking so much effort with little stuff, but with big stuff, you're just going in without a problem? What is the? I'm confused. You make the simple things difficult. Like I'm trying to figure those big old totes. You're not doing all that extraness, but with the little stuff, you trying to run back, try to figure it out and focus. Oh Lord. Y'all, I gotta deal with this this is what I deal with every day. It's a book bag. It's not it. This little girl is retarded, I swear. Oh my God. I'm sorry, I don't like Rizzy don't like when I say that word, but yeah, something's wrong with her. What? Yeah, you. Yeah, something wrong with you. Ain't nobody else over there. No, you. Oh, my Lord. The shoes. Girl, if you don't get them over there, why you go over there if it's already... Oh, gosh. What are you making faces for? What? Why you always pointing your toes? Like, what is that? Does that give you some...
No,
really?
Chris.
Yeah, I do need help. It's not done. There's still more stuff that's in here. I'm actually recording you because you... Yeah, take the fan. Yeah, take the fan. If that's what you feel like you need to take right now, take the fan. Please don't be extra and just take it, please. Where is you doing? What is you doing? Just walk through right here. That ain't gonna dry by doing that. Just walk through right here. Just walk. It's a whole. Just walk right there. Just step your foot out. Yeah.